Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change font or text size on Windows 11 PC. If you want to change the text size that appears throughout Windows and your apps, you need to click on this one Start button, then select Settings. Under Settings, click on this one Accessibility in the left sidebar. On the right side, click on text size. Here you can increase the text size by dragging this one slider, and you can see the preview of the text size that will be appear throughout your windows. If you are satisfied with this one new text size, just click on this one apply button and it will change text size throughout your windows on your Windows 11 PC.